What's up, guys? It's Charlie with Mountain Man Digital. No video right now. I just wanted to do a screen cap real quick. I'm kind of sitting here on my laptop, just chilling. And was getting ready to listen to a podcast from one of my favorite content creators, Tim Ferriss. And you guys might know about this guy. Tim Ferriss is most famous for writing the book, The 4-Hour Workweek, which is a book all about using the internet in all of its forms to essentially liberate yourself from office life. So he's written a multitude of other books you can see here, but the real meat and potatoes of Timbo's success that a lot of people miss is his SEO skills. Okay? And Timbo's SEO skills come from what I preach a lot, which is just I just noticed my AC is on, sorry everybody, which is a down-home, write good content and people will read it approach to SEO, right? So for instance, right here, I am on his, one of his podcast episodes I was getting ready to listen to. Chuck Palahniuk, author of Fight Club, great author. And of course, catchy image, everything else. If we look at the image properties here, right, we can see that, I know it's going to be hiding in here somewhere. Properties, here we go. No, accessibility. Yeah, you can see here that he put in the indicators for the image, right, so that it's showing up here, right? As I always say, tag your images. And here's where it gets really cool, right? He wrote a little intro, right? He quoted in here the guy's books, okay? He didn't miss a single opportunity, okay? He left out Playboy, but italicized it. I bet you that he, put that as a tag as well. And he marked all of his different books and things in here. And if we click on all of these, they will lead to different websites, okay? These all help to build the authority of this one page here, okay? He linked all of the places where you can listen to the podcast, okay, which are all set up properly. And so you can see just creating the tech for this one page is crazy. But this is, just looking at this page is a masterclass on how you set up a post, okay? Brought to you by ButcherBox. Buttons, okay? Even though he put them up here, there's buttons as well, right? Because the more people use links, the more authority they have. It's kind of like building synapses in your brain. The more you use them, the more they get. So then over here, you see we have topics, right? And these are the topics that he covered in the podcast, right? What topics did you cover? We talked about dancing. We talked about email detox, entrepreneurship. You see these numbers? These are the number of different episodes or different posts on his blog that talk about this, right? So here is, a post about 4-Hour Workweek case studies, the path to 7 figures, right? How to build $1 million one-person business, case studies from the 4-Hour Workweeks, how to be in my next big book, 1 month with no phone, how to go phoneless in a major U.S. city, right? And all of these are case studies on how to do 4-Hour Workweek stuff, right? And like gadgets, okay? I'm sure they talked about gadgets, right? And so Tim, because he does affiliate stuff, he posts a lot of stuff about cool gadgets that he uses, right? Espresso makers, low-carb protein powders, water flossers, and like he gets me 30% of the time, buying this dumb stuff. It's terrible. But he's a good salesman, right? And it's all really focused around this structure, okay? Where the content's easy to find, right? If I do like this, I'll click on his Psychedelic News Hour, which is one of his newer podcasts, right? And I copy this and I post it into Facebook. Come on. Man, Facebook is slow, right? And I'll paste it in here. Look at how nicely this parses, okay? This is once again just like classic do your work right for SEO, okay? Look how nice this is going to look when I post it. Maybe I'll even leave it, right? I love Timbo. And take a look at how nice and professional this post is going to look. Here's one of mine. Right? This looks beautiful on social media. It's eye-catching. The title's good, right? Breakthroughs, warnings, like so many cool, catchy words to get traffic to it, okay? Just because people want to share it. Why do people share it? Because it's good, interesting content, right? The core of this is still good content, okay? That never goes away. But he's given himself every opportunity to make sure that the content's successful as well. Okay, guys, so just a quick breakdown I wanted to do of one of my favorite websites who is truly killing it in the SEO game. If you're ever wondering how to do it, just ask what would Timbo do, because he's doing it right. All right, guys, have a good one.